have x equals 2y plus 3. We need for it to be into this y equals mx plus b formula. It has to be in that form. But right now it's not y equals, it's x equals. So we need to translate this in a way that y is going to be by itself. So one of the things I suggest is first, we can move this 3 to the other side of the equal sign. So since we're kind of going to solving, I like to think of the equal sign as a wall. So we want to basically balance things out. So since we have a plus 3, we need to do the inverse. And this is something that I saw my friend Lynette do earlier this morning with her abacus. And it was just like, that's the reason why, in order to get your fives, and you're just like, okay, if you want to get up to 5, you had to subtract 1. So it's like 5. If you wanted to get 4, it was like 5 minus 1. You're basically doing the inverse in order to get what you wanted to get. So when you had your 4 is equal to 5 minus 1, this is the same as me saying, okay, in order for me to get 5, that means I had to add 1 to both sides. So in order for me to isolate my variable, I need to move this constant over to the other side of the equation. So in order for me to do that, I need to do what's called the inverse. So the inverse of plus is minus. So what happens is the 3 and minus the 3, that will give me 0. So they basically cancel each other out. So now what's left over to the other side is going to be x minus 3, bring down the equals, 2y. So now I want to get y by itself. That's the goal.